So check this out, guys. Google Workspace now allows e-signatures on Google Docs. So what this means is if you run some sort of business that you need someone to sign an agreement or contract or anything like that, now if you have a Google Workspace plan, you can now do that directly into Google Docs. Let's jump into Google Docs and show you how to do that. So essentially, we have opened up an e-signature document here, and we essentially have our contract or agreement or whatever the terms would be, whatever you want, all above here. And then at the bottom, we have the option of where we can come out and type out name. And then I've already pre-added some fields, but let me go ahead and delete these to show you how you can kind of go about doing it. On the right side here, you can see signer one. If you have multiple signers, you can actually come in here and add another signer. But let's say you just have one person that needs to sign this contract or agreement or whatever it is. So we have this here. So what I've done is made a name sign here and a date section. And as you can see, there's some fillable fields here. So what we're going to do is grab the name field and drag that down under here. Now you can see signer one now has to fill out this name field here. And then we have a sign here. So what we're going to do is take signature and put it there. What I like to do is also make these a little bit bigger in case someone needs some more room to type out their name or sign. And then last, we're going to go the date and add that there. So now signer one has these three fields to fill out. Once again, if you need another signer, all you have to do is kind of go name and then manage signers and add a new signer. You can also set up initials or do a text field, which would be kind of anything custom. So if you want to have them select a time or a date or give you some sort of information, you can do that with the custom text field. Once you have your document all created and the areas where you need the person to sign, all you're going to do is click this blue button, request e-signature, and you're going to have your title of your document here. You're going to say who you're sending it to, if you want to add a message, and then you're going to go request e-signature. Now, if you kind of open up your email and get that all done, or wherever you sent it, the person who you sent it to will actually receive an email for signing that actual agreement. So as you can see, it'll show up like this. You can go open. So to open up, and the user can essentially come in here and sign whoever you sent it to. They have the option to sign, reject, or view the details. In my example, I'm going to go ahead and go sign, and it's going to open it up. It's going to give me the option to enter my name, and what it'll do is actually show you a signature preview. You can also enter your initials, and it'll do that, and it'll go adopt and sign, and then all you can do is click sign, and it will automatically put their signature in there, and it automatically adds the date. So basically all they're essentially doing is putting their name in, and it does the rest for them. And then once they're done with that, it goes mark complete, and they're essentially done. And now your document gets sent back to you, and essentially you've now sent a e-signature document through Google Docs using Google Workspace. If you have any questions or want to see more on what you could do with this, comment below.